Hi, try natin dumaan dito sa Tunnel Car Park. Napakatahimik, walang tao. Seems scary, but you don't have to be scared because there's a lot of camera here. There's a lot of CCTV. So whatever happened to you, they can find it out. I'm going to pick it up the little body. This is only for car. Okay, I'm here now.